Welcome. So what I have is y equals x squared minus 6x plus 9. And what I'm going to do for this equation is I'm going to solve by using our quadratic formula. So the main important thing that we want to do is we want to find our x values that are going to make this equation true when our output value is equal to 0. So the first thing we need to do is make sure this is in standard form, which it is. And then what we need to do is determine our a, b, and c. So our a in this case is 1, b equals -6, and c equals 9. Then what we're going to do is now going to determine the discriminant. And the discriminant is going to be part of our quadratic formula of what we're taking the square root of. And that's going to help us determine the type of solutions that we have, as well as what the x-intercepts are going to be. So therefore, I take b squared, so it's going to be -6 squared minus 4 times a times c. Well, -6 squared is a positive 36. -4 times 9 is going to be a -36. Therefore, this is going to equal to 0. So when we have a discriminant that's equal to 0, we know that we're going to have one real solution. And let's go and see why that's going to work. So let's finish off the rest of the quadratic formula. So I take my opposite of b. Since that's -6, the opposite of -6 is a positive 6. Plus or minus the square root of negative, we already figured out, that's the discriminant, which is 0, all over 2 times a, which is 1. OK, well, the square root of 0 is just going to be 0. And there is no positive or negative 0. It's just 0. So therefore, we have x equals 6 over 2. And 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So therefore, you can see we only have one solution because we can't take plus or minus the square root of 0. It's just 0. Therefore, we have one real solution. Thanks.